Hello, it is September 13th. This is the Daily Spelunky Challenge, and I'm Chris. I looked at the leaderboards a minute ago. It looked like a lot of people did pretty good today. But I played a few warm-up games, and they did not go very well. Parachute. Well, that wasn't so bad. Jetpack. I never seem to ever get the jetpack, but every time I watch videos of other people playing the same level, they're always flying around like crazy. I'll just stick with the boots. This character is Van Helsing. I looked him up in the wiki. Can't remember where I got him. I assume someplace filled with vampires. Oh, jeez, how far did I throw that? Not a huge fan of the sticky bombs. I always forget that they're sticky. Oh my god, make this jump. I know they're good for like fighting bosses, but I never really get to fight bosses, because I never get very far. Oh, I'm glad that dart went off already. Walked right into it. take the compass. Oh gosh. So many bats. I don't know what to do. If I jump, I'm gonna hit that thing, I know it. Okay. Oh, there's another dart trap. Another dart trap I didn't even see. I was looking at the other two. I don't know if I can make that without getting hurt. Yep. Ooh. Ah. Well, came in handy. Can't afford anything. Camera. I think the guy is probably more useful to bring. Oh, that's a lot of boomerangs. It's making me nervous. I'm gonna get rid of the camera right now. There's the exit. Boomerang guy that killed me yesterday. Stepped on the skeleton. Things are not going too terribly so far. Boomerang is like the perfect video game weapon, because as soon as you see it, like for the first time, you just know what it does. You throw it, it comes back. Don't need any instructions. Except when it gets stuck in a web. Oh, that did not work out. Oh no, get up, wake up! No, wake up! That could have gone a little better. This seems dangerous. Really want to get a boomerang from down there. There we go. Springy shoes. Just sitting there for the taking. Ice level. I do not get here very often. I'm just gonna race through this because the ice world just scares the crap out of me. Oh god, that was lucky. Should really get those crates. It's gonna kill me though? Oh gosh. Oh, no! Okay. Go away. Oh, damn it, I put it right on the boomerang. Just to make things a little more challenging for myself. Whoops. Alright. Put this somewhere where it won't hurt you. There's a shop. What are they selling? Yeah. I love to buy that little guy because he's the only one worse at this game than I am, but he might get me killed. Oh god, forgot that was there. I'm really happy I have the compass so I can see where I'm supposed to be going. Whoops, what happened? I've been here so few times, I still don't know how a lot of this stuff works. Oh, there's a giant thing down there. He like burps on you. And those crazy blocks. Ugh. Oh. It's burping. I don't know what to do. What do I do? Oh god! Ah! Yeah, that's what my trips to Aztec World look like.